As a military skills instructor, I need to be the exemplar. I need to set that standard, and I need to set that bar really high. I love putting on this uniform. I love representing the Air Force and looking nice and sharp and schmick. I'm Dean. I'm a military skills instructor from Officer Training School. Drill is really important. Drill actually gets people working as a team. It actually gets people acting instinctively to commands. And it actually lifts the morale of the team when everyone is doing drill exactly the same at the same time. It actually feels really good. I'm really passionate about adventure training. It allows people to develop resilience, develop qualities about themselves. In fact, adventure training sometimes can be the biggest impact of someone's life. With adventure training, we put people through a little bit of hardship, whether it be abseiling down a cliff or crawling through a deep hole in a cave. It's a chance to step outside that comfort zone. Members learn so much about themselves. They learn to communicate better. There's times where they're on that cliff face and someone else has got their lives in their hands, so they need to communicate to that person to make sure that they're safe. They learn to work as teams. When students arrive at Officer Training School, we are the first people that they see that bring them into this military environment. It's my job as a military skills instructor to pass on those customs and traditions that are built up over 100 years. And that makes me extremely proud to be in this position to be able to do that for our next generation to come.